this questions, please read this question and find out the probability of the given statement. So just read it.
Okay. Um, let S 1, 2, 3, 4 be the same. Would be the same. The simple space of rolling a die.
Mhm.
What is the probability of rolling a 5? Rolling a number less than 1, rolling a number greater than 0, rolling a multiple of 3, rolling a number greater than or equal to 4.
Mhm. Okay. So first of all, I told you about the sample space is about this die is rolled here, right? So
Mm-hmm.
it would be like the sample space would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me tell you that how many numbers in this sample space?
6.
6. So number of s is equal to 6, right?
Yeah.
Yes, good. Okay. The first question given here, rolling a 5. Okay, 5, how many times 5 is occur?
One time only.
One time, yes. So let me
Yeah. Yeah.
represent this one is number of a. Yeah, a equal to, for example, a denote the 5, like this one. And number of a mean how many times in a. So number of a mean this is 1, right? One element in the event a, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, probability of the first one, probability of rolling a 5. So let me write down, this is probability of a is denoted by rolling a 5, this one is. So number of a divided by number of s, right? So the answer is this is 1 and number of s is equal to 6. So 1 time 1 out of 6. Is it clear? This one probability, the first one is clear. Number 2,
Yes.
rolling a number less than 1. How many numbers less than 1?
It's less than one. Less than one. Only 0.
0. Yes, nothing here. So we will
Yeah.
try. Okay, the 0 is impossible even here, right? Number
Uh-huh.
2, the number 2 question is like
Running a number
probability
is.
of b is equal to nothing here, so we will, this one is impossible even, right?
Yes.
Okay, so probability of b mean like this one, this is equal to the probability. If you see, this is probability of b, so we will write down this is number of b
Uh-huh.
and divided by number of s. This is the main formula, right? So nothing
Yeah.
here, so we will write down this is 0 divided by 6 is equal to 0. So the probability of less than 1 is equal to 0.
Okay.
And I told you that in the question that here uh, the the range of the probability is 0 to 1. So it may be 0 or in in between the 0 and 1 or 1. So 0 mean impossible event here, this one.
I got it.
Okay. Now the next question is like mm, the third question, rolling a number greater than 0. How many numbers greater than 0?
6 numbers.
6 number. Very, very good. Yes. So what would be the answer of this question? So let me
P.
present the greater than number from C, right? So by C,
Yeah.
that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5, and here is 6, this one.
Yeah.
right? Okay, so let me write down, that is the number of C is equal to how many numbers?
6 numbers.
6 number. Very good. Yes, this number of
Yeah.
C is equal to 6. So what would be the probability of C?
6 over
Mm-hmm.
0 over 6.
No, here is 6. This one is
Oh
6 over
no? Oh
6.
yes.
Number probability mean you will denote it by this one, like probability of C is equal to number of C. This one, the probability, the formula of this probability is equal to number of C and divided by number of S. Okay, the C mean the favorable outcome. The favorable outcome mean the things which is asking in the question. This one, right? C.
I got it.
And number of sample space is the total outcome, the total possible outcomes of the sample space, right? So in each question
Yeah.
you will write down this one, number of C, number of A divided by number of S, number of B divided by number of S, number of C divided by number of S, number of D divided by number of, the same formula you will just same this one, right?
Okay.
Okay, so number of C is, this is 6 of 6 is equal to 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what is the, so this is just the formula, the answer of this greater than 1 is like this one. Okay, the next thing is rolling a multiple of 3s. Here in this session you will see that how many numbers divisible by 3.
Um. Wait. Multiple. Mm, rolling a multiple of 3. 2.
2, very good. Yes, that the number 4 question, right? So let me
Yes.
write down, this is D is denoted by D, and these are, the first one is 3 and the second one is 6,
Yeah.
right? And number of D is 2,
2.
right? And probability of D is equal to, here probability of D is equal to 2 out number of D and divided by
Huh?
number of 6, number of S, right? This one. So
Yeah.
these are 2 and or 6 or 1 over 2. So sorry, 1 over 2.
One.
2 1 are 2 and 2 3s are 6, so 1
1 over
1 over 3.
3. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So next question here, rolling a number greater than or equal to 4. Oh, now greater than or equal to mean that 4 include in the number, right? If someone asks about that, the number greater than 4, so just in greater than 4, 4 is not included in this one. If someone asks that greater than or equal to 4, so it means 4, 5 and 6.
Okay.
Are you getting my points or not?
Yes.
Greater than or equal to mean 4 is included in this statement. So the last one is like in this question here,
Or equal to 4.
number
Okay.
5.
4, 5, 6.
Yes, 4 5 6. So this is E D, after that E, and this one is 4, this is 5 and this is 6, and the elements and this question is number of E is equal to, this is
Um,
3.
3 over 3 over 3 over 4.
No, 3 or 6, the total number is 6.
6, 6.
Yes, the total sample
Or
space, this is E,
1 over 2.
and here the total sample space is 6.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 3 over 6 as well. 6, and this is 3 1 are 3 and 2, so 1 over 2.
1 over 2.
Yes,
Yeah.
so this is, these are just the simple questions,
Uh
right?
huh.
Okay, so this is just the probability. If you forever you apply this formula, and we'll find out the probability of different questions, right? Okay, now let me give you another questions, and you will try to find out the probability. of different questions. So the question is like this one: 3 unbiased questions are given date. Okay, read these questions and find out the question according to the statement. Just read it. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Yes, that's good. Okay. So
Yeah.
I have uploaded the question on the my robot. You just try to read this question and think about the statement of the question and find out the answer.
Okay. Okay, one second.